Hello guys, this is Yusuf with you, and this is problem 10. So we're gonna make like I'm sorry, I'm gonna remove what I have did here. Remove. Yeah, this is a problem 9 that we were working at. So 25, 25, 25, 75, perfect. So let's create another one. Let's copy this because we're gonna use this code as a reusability one more time. Problem 10. Average of 3 marks. Okay. Well, we're gonna copy this, paste this, sorry. And after we paste it, so we have here like a function called average of 3 marks. This is like a program that get for you the average of the 3 marks. Like for example, if you wanna get the average of 25 and 70 and 100, let's say that the average is gonna be 75 in the middle. Okay, so let's say that we have a float here. This float's like for average of 3 numbers. Okay, and this average is gonna give you're gonna give it this input num1, num2, num3. Okay, and it's gonna steal the same, and this average of 3 numbers is gonna go to enter to the print result. Okay, and then we have here average of the 3 numbers. So let's say that it's gonna return for you num1 plus num2. No, forget about this. Why are we gonna do this? And we have already the solution in our hands, which is the function itself. So we're gonna call the function, and this is called in programming reusability. What does mean reusability? Reusability means that you use the code one more time and give it like its value. So sum of 3 numbers, we're gonna get for it enter number 1, enter number 2, enter number 3. Okay, okay. Why does this give it us as an error? Just a second. Remove this. Yep, exactly like I expected. Okay, semicolon. We forget something important here, and I made this mistake on purpose. So I'm gonna give you guys 3 seconds to think and get the mistake here. Okay, so the mistake here is that I made this on purpose, like the sum of 3 numbers. This function, what does this function does? This function does return a float number, and this number is num1, num2, num3. What's the types of these 3 numbers? Is it integer or float? It's integer, right? So it should, when it returns for you, it's going to return as an integer. So it's like you're telling the function here, you has nothing to do with us. Alright, so let's say that we're gonna create, like not last time we did, we're gonna create this. Doesn't work, right? See the same. Let's think about maybe we put it in the wrong place. Yeah, this is the correct one. I'm sorry, my mistake. So I was just trying to put this function here. This is like a function just to convert from integer to float. Okay, and just to make sure and guarantee that it's gonna work, let's give it include string, and let's run the program. Let's try 20, 25, 30, 35, 75, 120. So it's gonna give you like this. So let's say that we have here like 25 plus 5 is gonna give you this. So we can do this. No. Okay, it should work now. So I created like a float here, so the numbers when it comes like 80.5, okay, it doesn't removes a half. Okay, so that's all. The same idea, I just added the float average of 3 numbers function. We didn't play anything in the previous code, I just added the float average of 3 numbers, and that's all.